I'm not very good at this. The flippy knife. Aren't these illegal? Shh. Let's talk about a game I loved growing up. I was so good at it. I was the champ. I was also really into martial arts because of all the movies of the time. I thought that fad would never end, and I spent probably 20 years practicing martial arts because I wanted to work in the movies, and it was the last time they came out with a new martial arts movie. Feels like never. Anyway, I used to play this as a kid. I got really into it in probably 2010. Again, just obsessed. And my roommate Crystal just hated it. But mind your own business, Crystal. Are you the one playing? No. Why do you gotta sit next to me watching and complaining that I'm doing something I enjoy? We don't talk anymore. Anyway, Karateka. When I was a kid, I thought it was called Karateka because, I sounded it out. Let's go. Try that again. Hello, sir. Murder! Your corpse disappeared. That's weird. You know I gotta kick his ass, he's wearing teal. I'm coming! I think your name is Mariko. Hey. What's up, bro? I think I woke him up. Pink pajamas. Going down, Chan. Oh, Pinky! Yabu! Ow, my dick. Holy shit, this guy's got health for days. I'm so polite, I will kill you with kindness. That was brutal. They've closed the door behind me. Yeah.
Bow to the door. Punch. Pulp it.
Hiya! Birds aren't pets, they're food. Okay. Honorable door. Yeah. Will you bow to me, MF? Nope. Oh shit. Fuck this. Hey, lady. Fuck you up, bitch. Oh, let's kiss! Congratulations, I love you. Aww. What did we think of that? It's not as good as the Commodore version. Graphics are worse, controls are worse. There are less things you can do in the Nintendo version. For example, if you are doing a full step, you can do the little shuffle and then you can do the cross-legged walk move. If you're doing the cross-legged one, you can extend that into a kick in the Commodore version, not in the Nintendo version. The gate that comes down is like, I had to Google how to get through that. Apparently you just fake it out by running at it, and that at the on the Commodore version you can just like kind of inch close to it, like with the half step, and then get back quick enough to not get impaled. Also, when you kill the eagle in the Commodore version, it explodes in a cloud of feathers and blood, and when you kill the enemies, they don't disappear as soon as the fight music is over. Still a really good game, and I'm happy I played it today because it's a little bit cloudy, even though my cat is screaming to go for a walk. No, kitty, no. Let's find out what happens next week.